Now, I want to once again take you back to what's happening in Parliament. So you saw those images of protests that happened outside the Congress Party headquarters. You saw what's happened at the Makar Dwar, the entrance of Parliament. Now I want to take you inside the Parliament. And here was another fight, books versus books. So while Rahul Gandhi waved former Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narvane's book, his memoirs that the BJP says remain unpublished inside the Lok Sabha, BJP MP Nishikant Dubey, he escalated the showdown. And he came with multiple books targeting the Congress Party and the Nehru-Gandhi family, their legacy, with alleged scams, despite being reminded of the same Rule 349 that ruckus spiraled. Papers were torn, once again flung in the direction of the speaker. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra actually slammed not just the BJP for the disruptions, but then she also raised questions that why is it that Rule 349 is applied on Rahul Gandhi, he's not allowed to speak. The same Rule 349, why is it that Nishikant Dubey is permitted to speak? And from Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to Indira Gandhi to Rajiv Gandhi continue to level allegations one after the other. We get you more in this report.
PM comes, I will go physically and hand him this book.
मैं आपके माध्यम से सदन को उस किताब के बारे में, उन किताबों के बारे में बताना चाहता हूं जो नेहरू परिवार, कांग्रेस परिवार के गद्दारी, मक्कारी, भ्रष्टाचार और अय्यासी से भरा पड़ा है.
Torn papers, loud slogans, adjournments, and a full-blown showdown in Parliament. Not over the budget, not over the President's address, but over books. Even as the budget session is underway and the discussion around the President's address continues, politics is revolving around everything except the agenda of the day. Outside Parliament, Congress MPs staged a protest with leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi waving the memoir of former Army Chief General M.M. Naravane.
Every youngster in India should see that this book exists. This is Mr. Naravane's book. नारावने जी की किताब है और मुझे कहा गया है कि मैं इस बुक को कोट नहीं कर सकता हूं. तो if PM comes, I will go physically and hand him this book so he can read it. And उनको पता लग जाए कि उनकी सच्चाई क्या है, देश को पता लग जाए.
But the bigger storm erupted inside the Lok Sabha. BJP MP Nishikant Dubey, in what can only be described as a book barrage, arrived with nearly 10 books targeting the Congress, the Nehru Gandhi family, and all their history of alleged scams.
यहाँ किताब पर चर्चा चल रही है. एक किताब पर चर्चा चल रही है, वो किताब जो आज तक छपी ही नहीं. मैं आपके माध्यम से सदन को उस किताब के बारे में, उन किताबों के बारे में बताना चाहता हूं जो नेहरू परिवार, कांग्रेस परिवार के गद्दारी, मक्कारी, भ्रष्टाचार और अय्यासी से भरा पड़ा है. और वो सब छपी हुई किताब है सर.
The chair repeatedly reminded Dubey that he's not permitted under Rule 349, but his microphone was not switched off, and the uproar spiraled with papers being torn and thrown. And within minutes, proceedings were disrupted again, forcing yet another adjournment. Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi hit out sharply at the BJP, accusing the government of using Nishikant Dubey as a deliberate disruptor.
निशिकांत दुबे जी तभी उठते हैं जब सरकार की इजाजत होती है, जब सरकार कहती है कि जाओ हाउस को डिसरप्ट करो.
Dubey remains defiant, says that multiple books targeting the Nehru Gandhi family were banned by earlier Congress governments and called for a discussion in the House on the same.
मेरा स्पीकर साहब से आग्रह है और यही मैंने आज पार्लियामेंट में कहा है कि आप जो छपी हुई किताब है और जो सोशल मीडिया के दौर में, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया के दौर में 2014 के पहले की जो कहानी है, जिससे कि देश का बहुत बड़ा वर्ग अनभिज्ञ है, उसको जानकारी नहीं है, उसके ऊपर पार्लियामेंट में आप चर्चा करा लीजिए. पार्लियामेंट में चर्चा हो जाएगी तो गांधी नेहरू परिवार का जो मक्कारी का, भ्रष्टाचार का, जो अनैतिक संबंधों का जो जखीरा है, जिसके कारण भारत आज भुगत रहा है.
So while the nation expects debate on the budget, jobs and inflation, Parliament is stuck in a different fight. Book versus book, slogans versus slogans as politics reigns supreme. With Piyush Mishra in Parliament, Bureau Report, India Today.